This is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a tailgate step. We do got mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we have a black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here, outlets, your center console with tons of more storage, dry modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats, dual climate, more outlets on the side here with upper and lower storage. You have storage on the dash as well with a nice powered rear window opener. Looking at our screen here, we have our park assist, we have hazards, traction, and our 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Looking at our screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE82491, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.